Today you're going to work on the laws of exponents review for your test on Monday. Okay, let's look at the first Roman numeral 1 here. Multiplying powers with the same base. We add the exponents. For example, 4 to the third power times 4 to the second. We add the 2 plus 3 and we get 4 to the fifth power. Now, if we have ones like number 5, you can want to take your big numbers, which are the -3 times the -3, multiply them together, and then take your a's and add your exponents, remember. Okay, like number 4 also. There's 1, 2, so there should be a 2 in your answer. And then add your exponents of the x's. Then let's look at Roman numeral number 2. We're going to divide powers with the same base. We subtract the exponents. For example, 7 to the 6th power divided by 7 to the 2nd power. You take 6 and you subtract the 2, you get 7 to the 4th power. Okay? All of these should be fairly simple for you to figure out. Take the top exponent, subtract the bottom exponent, and your base stays the same. Roman numeral number 3, we're going to do a power raised to a power. Whenever you have a power, 3 to the 2nd power, raised to the power of 5, you're going to do 2 times 5 to get 10. So you're going to try those. Then we're going to do Roman numeral number 4, simplifying 0 exponents. Again, the rule with 0 exponents is that any number raised to the 0 power is 1. Okay, so don't forget for number 23, before you do anything, you're multiplying, you want to add those exponents. Again, number 24, you're dividing, you want to subtract those exponents. And also be careful with number 22. You have a 6 in front, okay, but the only thing that is being raised to the 0 power is that x. So be careful of your answer. Go back and look in your notes on how we did problems that look like that one. And then finally, we're going to look at Roman numeral number 5. The example is 3 to the -2 power. Well, we can write 3 to the -2 as 3 to the -2 over 1. And then all we do is we flip it. We flip it. And the negative exponent moves to the denominator and becomes positive. So like number 25. 26, they're all the same, and they want you to write it with a positive exponent. So I know, like we did in class, we simplified this even further up here, this example, to 1 over 9, because 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, then our challenge is going to be number 31 and number 32. We did ones like this in class, so check your work from yesterday. Okay, and you might have done some of these on the Khan Academy or on the Buzz Math showed you these. If it's negative in the denominator, just move it to the numerator. Again, flip it and make this positive. Okay, when you're done, you're going to work on an escape room that I left you and finish any Khan Academy or Buzz Math assignments on exponents. I will be checking these over the weekend and updating your grades.